So you might be wondering, what is a beard roller and do they actually work? So let's start off with the first question. A beard roller is a derma roller and they are commonly used in cosmetics. Now these can be used by professionals or people at home, and typically it's used to stimulate the skin so it becomes more receptive of whichever product you are going to use alongside it. Now let's focus on this beard roller that Jack's Grooming sent over. It's a beard roller that has around, I think it's about 540 different needles across its surface. That's a lot of needles. Now it's designed to fit in one hand and you can use it across your entire face. And depending on your beard length already, it's either very easy or a little bit difficult. For me, it's a little bit difficult in some of the more dense areas across the chin and the cheeks to some extent and under the beard. So how does the beard roller work? So the beard roller penetrates the top layer of your skin as you roll it over, and you are advised to roll it over both vertically, horizontally, and also diagonally. Now by penetrating the top layer of the skin, what this beard roller actually does, it creates thousands of microscopic channels, or you can just call them holes, across your skin. And this allows the product you're using, and with this Jack's Grooming kit is the Activator, I think it's the Activator Serum? Yeah, that's it. The Activator Serum. It allows that to be better absorbed by the skin and therefore promotes better beard growth, which is the whole point of this kit. So by creating these microscopic channels or holes across your skin, what your body then does is the following. There's stimulation of hair follicles and new skin tissue, which is good because that's kind of what you want to grow a bigger and better beard out. By making use of the healing process, because effectively what you're doing here is kind of wounding yourself, you're going to promote better blood circulation, which is good for skin repair and beard growth or hair growth in general. And your skin releases growth factors that produce collagen, and collagen is a natural protein that all of us have, and that allows our hair and nails to grow, which is good because you want collagen to be produced to have better skin and a better beard. So the beard roller really is a scientific-led tool to help promote both beard and skin repair and growth, and that's kind of what you want, because the whole point of this is to help you grow out your beard. And this is suitable for people who really struggle with growing their beards out. It's probably better for you. Like we've seen the pictures of people who have really patchy beards and they've then used a beard derma roller for some time, and they have grown either, you know, a fairly decent beard in that time, or they've seen a slight improvement. I think that's a win for them. But also guys like me who have a very full beard, it can help really improve our own beards. And I'm going to be testing this out over probably like the next few months, just to see if I notice with a beard like mine, whether I really get any sort of improvement from it, because I think that's the key here for people like me. Does this really make a noticeable difference? Now, alongside the beard roller, we have something called the Activator Serum. So the Beard Activator Serum that Jack's Grooming provide is the product that is supposed to be used alongside their beard roller. And the reason for this is that this product is designed to enhance growth of the beard. It's got things like ginger root in it, biotin directly in the product, and when you apply that to your face after you've made all those holes, effectively those microscopic channels in your face, that's all going to get absorbed up far better than say if you hadn't used the beard roller. And that should really kickstart the process of growing your beard out. One thing I forgot to mention with the beard roller is you don't use it every single day. You use it once a week, maybe twice a week, and that kind of depends on your skin and how you react to it, because like I said, you're kind of wounding yourself, and what that means is you're putting lots of little holes into your face. It's cutting that top layer of skin. Some of us aren't going to react nicely to that. We might get a bit of puffiness, a bit of irritation. I've used it twice so far over maybe the last week and a half or so of trying this product out, and I can definitely feel that I've used it. It's not unpleasant, it's a bit tingly in places. I've had no irritation though, and I'm going to stick to once a week now for the foreseeable future. The Activator Serum that is provided is meant to be used every single day, and one really nice side effect of that Activator Serum, actually there's kind of two. Firstly, the product doesn't smell of anything, which is good. You can overlay it with something else, maybe a styling product, oil, butter, whatever you want to use, without it interfering with the scent profile that you like. And also it makes the beard incredibly soft. It's almost like you're using a beard conditioner. So what results can you expect to get when you're using a beard roller kit like this? And I like to just caveat that. Like I've seen really good results, and I've also seen people that say, and this is just generally speaking around beard roller kits, that they either work for them or they don't. I'm going to test this out for a lot longer to see if it has any impact on a beard like mine, whether that be thicker hairs, longer hairs, more density maybe in some of the areas that are not as dense. And yes, I do have areas that maybe just around here, just around the mustache and just under the chin that aren't as dense as the rest of my beard. And then I'll let you know in a few months what my kind of verdict is for guys who have longer beards on this. But let's just cover some of the things that you could benefit from as a result of using a beard roller and a product like the Activator Serum on a regular basis. So you could get new facial hair, which is obviously what we're all doing this for. Improved beard density, I think so many guys would really like this. Improved hair thickness, that's beard hair thickness. And I think this kind of goes hand in hand with the density point. If you've got thicker hair and more hair, your beard's going to look far fuller and far better. Now, beard hairs that feel stronger. This is a really good one. We've all combed our beards out and probably shredded quite a few hairs, and that can happen quite a bit depending on how strong your beard is. So any improvement there is going to be welcomed by us. And the last one is probably like one of the most searched terms on YouTube, on Google around beards, but your beard can grow faster. And you can do a bit of research, you can check out a few of the brands that are making these sort of products. You can have a look around, and the percentages of people that experience this can be incredibly varied. But I think it's probably worth a go if you've got the budget to spend money on a beard roller kit, just to give it a go. If you've got any questions about this Jack's beard grooming kit whatsoever, just leave them in the comments below. I'll get to them, and I can always make a follow-up video to cover off any specifics there. Like I said, I'm definitely going to do a bit more of an in-depth review of this kit as a whole going forwards once I've tried it out for a lot longer and really put it through its paces. So I just published this video maybe last week that covers everything you need to know about growing out a beard in 2021 or just any year going forwards. It's kind of the complete guide of beard growing. It's about 10 minutes long. It's a really solid video. You can skip through to the relevant sections. It's all clearly articulated in the description. Go check that out now, and I'll see you on the other side. Goodbye.